Creating a standard view in iSupport. Use views to monitor and track work items. You can display views on the desktop for support representatives and on a MySupport portal for end users. You can create new views from scratch or copy and modify iSupport's default views to specify the folders and columns that suit your needs. In iSupport, there are two types of views, standard views and report views. Use the Report View Designer to create and modify reports that include calculated counts, percentages, sums, averages, minimums, and maximums on selected fields. The Standard View Designer enables you to utilize a few calculated fields, but not calculated counts, percentages, sums, averages, minimums, and maximums on all selected fields. In this example, we'll create a standard view called This Week's Priority Open Incidents. Use the Show All Settings link to configure settings that affect the entire view, including permissions and sharing. In the Data Source field, select the type of data on which the view will be based. The fields that are available for folders and columns will display on the left. To display a field as a folder on the left side of the view, drag the field into the Folders section. Any folders after the first folder will appear as a subfolder in the view. Drag the fields that you wish to display as columns into the Columns section. Columns listed will appear in order from left to right. Click the Configure icon to format how a field will appear in the view. Drag the fields on which the view should be sorted into the Sorting section. Ascending sorts values from first to last and lowest to highest, and descending sorts values from last to first and highest to lowest. In this example, the report will be sorted by priority in descending order, emergency to low, and then by date created in ascending order. Use the Filters tab to set parameters for minimizing the amount of data that appears in the view. For each filter, select the field, condition, and value. Filters in this example will restrict incidents to those with an open status of all priorities except low that have been created in the current week. Use the Preview area to display your view. Click the Expand Preview link to display the view full screen. To resize a column, drag your cursor on the column edge. You can quickly access the standard view designer via the Edit View icon in the View component to modify your view. That's it for an overview of how to create a standard view in iSupport. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. You can contact them by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099 from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Monday through Friday. They're also available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.